Welcome. We want to show the thoracic cavity of toads. It's a specific area in the ventral body cavity covered by the heart with its vessels, blood vessels, and the lungs. You see, even though the thoracic cavity is not cut off from the abdominopelvic region by a diaphragm as in mammals, it's a clear zone. You see, part of it is demarcated from the throat and the buccal cavity. So it's a clear area. If you remove the body wall from the toad, you see this looks like the xiphoid cartilage in mammals, all right? And look at the heart. That's the heart lying there. It's in a clear area. If you remove this muscle, you will see that the lung is also there. If you remove that muscle too, there's another lung there. Now, you see, that's the area. You have the heart with its blood vessels. That's the heart with the blood vessels. You can see the lung. You can see the lung at the side there. You can see another lung. That's the thoracic area. That's a lung there. That's another lung. That's the heart. So that's the thoracic area. Now, if you look at this and other dissection, you can see the heart there. You can see a lung there. You can see another lung there, even though part of the liver covers the lung, but then the lung is there. You see, part of the stomach covers, there's the stomach, it covers part of the lung that is there, but then it's there. You see, the liver lobe is also covering part of the lung there. But you can see that this area that I'm marking out is where the thoracic cavity is. It's clear. Now, if we remove these liver lobes and the stomach and the other digestive, like this colon and other digestive organs, we will see the heart and the lungs very clearly. Okay, so they have a clear cavity. Now, I'm removing the liver from there. Then I'll also remove the other structures in the abdominopelvic region. You see here, that's the lung, another lung, that's the heart there with the blood vessels on it. You will see that is a membrane, that's the heart. See, that is what looks like the xiphoid cartilage. And you can see that's the xiphoid cartilage, looks like the xiphoid cartilage. But you can see the heart there. You can also see the two lungs in the area, and that is the thoracic cavity in this area. Right, very clear. Now, this structure separates the thoracic cavity from the buccal cavity. And then you see the abdominopelvic structures are also down here, but the heart and the lungs, they are in this area. So you can see they are in a specific area. They can't be mixed out. So the heart with its lungs in the specific region, they have their specific cavity, even if they are not separated by any diaphragm from the abdominopelvic region.